Hi, I'm Ryan with BTOD.com. We just received our Herman Miller Embody Chair, so I figured I'd do a quick video unboxing and assembling this chair so that you know what to expect when yours arrives. So the first thing to keep in mind is that this chair does come with the option to have it delivered to your room of choice with white glove delivery, which means that they'll take away all the garbage for you. If you're in the situation where you get it delivered like this is going to be what you'll expect. A large box that weighs about 50 pounds. There are some handles on the sides here that did make it easier for me to drag it on my own, but if you're going to want to carry it or unload it from the truck yourself, you'll probably want a second person to help you out with that. So the chair, I believe, it looks like it comes fully assembled. So you just need to cut this tape on the side here. So as you can see, the Herman Miller Embody Chair arrives fully assembled. You literally just wheel it right out of the box. You just need to take off some plastic here, and then you're completely done. And that completes our unboxing of the Herman Miller Embody Chair. If you'd like more information or to read the full review, check it out at BTOD.com, and thanks a lot for watching.